Hello, welcome to the School of the Heart, and welcome to some of the most powerful workshops on this planet: Journeys into the Heart, Heart Imagery, Kriya Yoga, and the Intuitive Child.
The teachings and workshops of the School of the Heart introduced me to what really being friends with myself can look like in my life, and living in my heart and seeing the world from that place. It's really changed every aspect of my life.
It's really important for us to learn to live in our heart, and Journeys into the Heart workshop is giving you different ways, and you can find the way that resonates with you, the way that's easy for you, so you can learn to be and to live in your heart and create from your heart in this lifetime.
So how powerful is an image, and how can an image change your life? So as a School of the Heart teacher, I've experienced and I've seen people who transform their reality and transform their lives just by switching a state from changing an image in their heart.